Shamla Vartraju here, and then this is me, and she is my dear partner, and her name is Mahalashmi, daughter of Subramaniam. We are University Slango students, and then our subject is business communication for this August 2021 year, and then our madam name is Madam Nur Hafiza Binti Hidayat. And then the special is our title is smoking should be banned in public places. And then I'm BOA, Bachelor of Accountancy student, and Mahalashmi is Bachelor of Finance student. For our introduction, the numbers of people who smoke have increased over the years. Although they are equipped with the knowledge of how unhealthy smoking can be, people still choose to smoke. It is personally choice and highly addictive habit. Smokers choose to subject themselves to the health risk of smoking. It is not only the government or any third party to decide whether or not a person should be allowed to smoke. However, smoking does not only affect the smokers negatively, it also affects all the people around those who smoke, because when the people smoke in public area, travels everywhere through the air, and negative effect of the smoke affect all the living, breathing and creatures. Therefore, smoking should be banned in the public places. For our introduction, before we go to bad part, we will see smoking is healthy or unhealthy. Smoking leads to disease and disability and harm nearly every organ of the body. For every person who dies early of smoking, at least 30 people live with a serious smoking related illness. Smoking causes cancer, heart disease, stroke, lung disease, diabetes, and COPD, which includes eczema and etc. Smoking also increases the risk of the curtain eye disease and problems of the immunity system. Secondhand smoke export contribute economically 41,000 deaths among non-smoking adults and 400 deaths in fact each year. Secondhand smoke causes stroke, lung cancer and coronary heart disease in adults. Children who are exposed to the second-hand smoke are at the increased risk for sudden infant death syndrome, actual infections, middle ear disease, more severe asthma, and then slow lung growth. So finally, it's not good for our health. This is a small video to show you the effect of smoking, and not only the smoker will be get the effect, the surround them also get the effect. Example, the teeth, the eyes, you all can see, especially the lungs. Oh my goodness.
Good evening, madam. I am Mahalashmi Subramaniam. I will be presenting why should ban smoking in public places. Firstly, people who smoke in public portray a bad example. Children are easily influenced in their growing stages. They intimidate the people around them because they cannot differentiate between right and wrong. Therefore, they perceive the actions they see around them as the way things should be. Besides that, teenagers who see people smoke in public take it a present to start smoking as well. People intimate the action of others, they see it in their daily life. Teenagers happen to think that smoking makes a person cool. When they see others doing it in the street, it strengthens their belief in the coolness of smoking. Some teenagers think that smoking marks their transition into adulthood and maturity. Hence, more teenagers start smoking due to the influence of seeing other people smoke in public places. The second point is promote a healthier lifestyle for everyone. If smoking is banned in public area, it will promote a healthier lifestyle for everyone. People will see it as a government endorsement for a healthy lifestyle of everybody. This is because by banning smoking in public area, the government sends a message that the government cares about the health of the citizen and the government discourages people from smoking. Thus, when smoking is not allowed in public area, it reminds people that health care is very important. It reminds each and every person that the government is serious concern for well-being of its citizens. Therefore, people will be reminded to live a healthy lifestyle. Third point is it will cause smokers to smoke less. By disallowing people who smoke from smoking in public, it will cause smokers to smoke less because smoking is not allowed in public. People are only allowed to smoke in their home. This will mean that as long as they are out of their homes, at work, when they are eat out, at movie or even at the park, they cannot smoke. Smokers will have to wait until they get to home to light up a cigarette. As a result, their cigarette consumption reduces and they smoke less. This in turn will benefit the smokers who have been trying to quit smoking but are unable because they have a more reason to stop. The law prohibits them from smoking in public areas, so cigarette consumption is reduced. Also, should they have an urge to smoke in public, they will put in extra effort to squash the craving because it is punishable by law. In addition, there is a less temptation for smokers who want to quit smoking if the ban is enforced because no one will offer them cigarettes. Therefore, this allows them to abstain from smoking. Smokers will benefit from this ban because it will help them to reduce the amount as well as the frequency of smoking. It could help them break their addiction to cigarettes. In the long run, it could help them to quit and also help them to develop their lifestyles. The fourth point is air pollution. Cigarettes add to pollution every day as people smoke them and release toxin into the air. Our air is already one thing in good quality. This is only increasing the problem. Global warming has become the main problem because of the solid inflow of toxin in our air. We also wanted plant to help filter our air and produce purified clean air to breathe. The air around us is also needed by plant to breathe. Crops grown by farmers in contaminated air do not give the top nourishment for our bodies. Polluted air and soil is the root cause of these issues. Last point is it discourages non-smokers from start to smoke at all. If smoking is not allowed in public area, it discourages non-smokers from starting to smoke at all. People will not be tempted to start smoking because they know that smoking is addictive. And if smoking is not allowed in public, they will suffer from withdrawal from their addiction to the nicotine from cigarettes. If smokers choose to quit or even think of quitting because of the inconvenience of not being able to smoke in public, will it not more so prevent a non-smoker from smoking? Surely one will not intentionally subject themselves to an addiction knowing that they will suffer withdrawal symptoms due to the addiction. By banning smoking in all public areas, the government shows support for the fact that smoking is banned and it helps to set changes to the mindset in people, reminding them that smoking is not a healthy habit. Furthermore, smoking will no longer be an issue when it comes to the influence of peers because nobody is allowed to smoke in public. So peers cannot pressure a person to start smoking.
Think smoking is necessary? No, because it's just waste your time and money and healthy. It's expensive to smoke cigarettes. In some places, a packet of cigarettes costs more than 15 ringgit and prices keep rising on it. Even if a pack costs only 5 ringgit, where you live, smoking one per day adds up to 2000 each year. Secondly, most of important is our family or any person who we loved, while reduce the risk of the permanent death and can add much as 10 years to life expectancy. Finally, smoking is not necessary and ban is the better options. When you are ready to quit smoking, we are a lot of the supportive resources to choose from. Medical clinics, local pharmacies, and support groups like Nicotine Anonymous and Ready help you quit. Apps and websites offer encouragement and accountability when you try to quit.
In conclusion, smoking is detrimental not only to you but also to those around you. People who smoke are more likely to develop heart disease and lung cancer. Smoking is a nasty addiction, and the sooner we can quit, the better for those around us. We should minimize the amount of the smokers in our society because it drains it from the inside out. It is critical to thoroughly comprehend the dangers of smoking in order to prevent it from taking life of good people. To minimize financial losses and negative health impacts, smokers should quit smoking. Smoking is highly linked to the sterility, thus both men and women should avoid it. We are aware of practically every ailment associated to smoking that result in mortality. Therefore, it is time to say no to smoking determined effects. That's all from us. Thank you so much.